we're on a very kind of made-up tour. I mean, tomorrow we're playing in Slovakia. We weren't playing in Slovakia 3 days ago, but very good friends of mine, Massive Attack, have pulled out of their headline slot, and we were asked at the last minute to replace them, which is quite, it's going to be our first headline tomorrow, so, you know, congratulations. We've gone in a week from opening a festival to headlining, which is pretty rapid ascent, you know, by anyone's standards. Although it has taken like 40 years, but never mind. That's another story which I won't bore you with. So we thought it would be very nice to honour Massive Attack with a song tomorrow night from their wonderful canon. So the wonderful and magical Louisa is going to sing.